So good morning, one and all. My name is Hardik Safar and I have taken the theme of climate change. So, as climate change is the greatest threat to our humanity, perhaps ever, as global temperatures are rising at an unpredictable rate, causing drought and forest fires and impacting human health. So I have taken an initiative. Uh, I have taken an initiative to spread awareness to the people who don't know what our planet Earth is going through, what our nature is going through, and what we can do to save our dear planet. So these are the quotes the big people have shared their thoughts to thoughts about the climate change, like Attenborough, Bill Gates, Barack Obama, Carl Kennedy. So these are the people who have shared their views to Carrie Kennedy. So let's start reading next. So next is the space about the space debris. So we can see there are almost 6 tons of garbage in the Earth's atmosphere. So this is it's a man-made space debris like the satellites or the parts of the satellites or the parts of the rocket, etc. These cause a great amount of pollution in the Earth's atmosphere. So it's devastating and it could result in a great danger. So we should do something so that the space debris would reduce, and so we can do something so that the space debris would not remain in space like such. So next we can see about is the ozone. So as we can see the ozone layer in the stratosphere, um, in the stratosphere as the large part of the ultraviolet radiation. So the first ozone hole was discovered in 1960 over the Antarctic. So that ozone hole is also increasing rapidly, but government has taken a countermeasure to ban the CFC, which was introduced in 1987. So by the report of the World Meteorological Organization, there is a chance that the ozone layer will largely recover by 2050, but it's not by concern. So we should do something to save the Earth, as the ozone layer should not deplete, as the rays of the suns are most harmful. It can cause skin cancer and various such. So next is pollution. So we can see that the air traffic is contributing to the carbon dioxide emissions by about 3% globally. So that's not sound like much, but it's too much. So we should reduce the air traffic, as I know flying is very efficient means of transport, but it causes a great emission, and it gives a huge amount of get damage to our earth. So the cars also emit a huge amount of carbon dioxide. As the traffic is increasing, the people are buying cars at an unpredictable rate. So it emits a large number of carbon dioxide, and it greenhouse gases and such like CFC, chlorofluorocarbon. It makes a huge damage to our earth, to our ozone. So we should stop that. We should actually reduce it. So the next is uh, mountains. So we can see that the glaciers are melting due to the climate change. As the glaciers are melting, the ice is also melting, which results in the sea level rising. So as you can see, since 2000, glaciers have lost an average of 3% of their volume each year. So the phenomenon is also a source of water scarcity in this region, bringing it a further problem. So next we can see is about the weather. So you can see we can search for the weather like Mumbai, where you can check the temperature and such. So you can check. Let me refresh. Yeah. So weather, Mumbai. You can see In Mumbai, the time is 12:13, which is now. The temperature is 1955 degrees Fahrenheit. So the temperature is increasing rapidly now. So since it gives that the temperature is cloudy and such, so we can check for Alaska too. So as in Alaska, the time is 10:44 p.m. The temperature is 19.4 degree Fahrenheit and such. You can check in Australia also, as in Australia the temperature is 92.16 degree Fahrenheit. We can see that it is a clear weather there. So in Alaska we can see that there is a cloudy weather there. There is no snowfall now. So next you can see is about the extinctive animals which are on the verge of extinction, like Sumatran orangutan. These are found in the Indonesian part, but as they are very slow, so it as the climate is changing, the rainfall is also inhabited, so it leads in the landslide and floods. So they are also decreasing day by day by the landslide and forest fires. So the climate is changing. That is the reason the extinction is going on. So next we can see is about the blue whale. As uh, as we can see, the global warming is rising. The acidification of the oceans is progressing due to the carbon dioxide. The ocean is also on the in danger. Ocean life is in danger. So we can see that we can do something. So people also go to various places like the ocean beaches, like and stuff, and throw food in the ocean. It's disgusting, and it results uh, in extinction of these great animals like the blue whale. It's it's not good. Then the next we can see about is panda. As the panda is found in the northern regions of China, uh, though due to the climate change, however, the vegetation zones are shifting. So they are very rare now. They are found in China and rarely in different other places. So they are also affected by the climate change. So we should do something to save our planet. These are some of the animals which are verge on the extinction. So next we can check about is about the ice. So we can see that the sea level is rising by about 65 centimeters by the year 2000 to 2100. Sorry. So as the glaciers are melting, the ice as the glaciers are melting, ice are melting. It results in the floods, which is also increasing the sea level. So by throwing plastic and such, it affects the life below the sea level. So next we can see like the is about 150 millions of tons of plastic waste which are floating in the sea, which is too much, and we should stop doing that. Thus, by the year 2050, there could be more plastic than fish in the sea, and these plastics give, are dangerous for the fishes and other animals below the sea. This is not good. It injures the fishes. It gives much more thing like the plants in the near in the ocean are also dying. So it's also due to starvation, and also so it is called as the coral bleaches can lead to the death of the coral within the few days, as in the period from 2014 to 2017 alone, almost one third of all coral reefs existing worldwide were attacked by coral bleaching. So we can see that the our nature is affecting too much by our carelessness, so we should stop doing such things. So these are some of the numbers to visualize what happened during your visit on our page. So these children deserves a better world. You can change something. So these are the percent children born each year. The trees are cutting down each year. These are the garbage trucks, loads of plastic dumped into the ocean. So we can see here in the picture that the um, oh, that the machines and all the factories, these are rising too much, and the nature forest and all these are cutting down just to make those factories and all. So we should we should do something so that we can save our earth. So these are the steps you can take to save our dear planet. So I've given a very awesome video which gives the 10 ways to take care of the environment. So these are the 10 ways
Many
we
animals
can
and
take,
living beings lights and the electronic devices you're not
like the
using to
save
save
energy.
energy.
Yeah, you can save energy.
Replace
Also,
plastic bags with
reusable
reusable
plastic,
cloth bags. Contaminating types of waste.
separate,
Organic.
recycle,
Avoid wasting water. Make sure
wastewater. So we can do these things, these basic things which you people can do to save our planet. This can give a huge impact, and uh, we can save our earth. So our earth is not in the end if you will try to save our nature. So do these things, do something which will help our nature, not cause a threat to our nature. So thank you for taking the time to learn important facts about our planet. We have one planet and we should be aware of it as soon as possible. So I, Hadith Chappa, has taken an initiative to spread an awareness about our dear planet Earth. So I have tried to use proven data provided by the sophisticated sources. So by then I don't guarantee that the data would be too correct. So these are the sources where I have taken this data like such, and you can contact me by here. So thank you and take care.